This is what I got, an inflatable kayak, the Intex Challenger K2. I did a bunch of research, saw a bunch of videos on YouTube, saw someone did a modification for it. It looks dope. Kinda gonna do something like that. Little backstory, I'm a math major at Sacramento State. This is Sacramento. This is my apartment. I just got married last week. I caught 2 king salmon off of the bank. Then I realized I'd probably have a lot better chance catching them if I was trolling. Don't have the money for a boat. I do have the money for a kayak, an inflatable one. I have here my plans. A bunch of dimensions, stuff, yeah. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put a time lapse, a video of me creating it. Sound good? Here's the kayak. All inflated. The modifications are going to go there. That should work. Say hi, Christine. Say hi, Tam. My dad has told me that with the right tools, a project goes much faster. I really wish I had the right tools right now. Mistakes, if you can see, but I wanted them angled away from me, but they're angled too high. So I'm gonna drop this down. But right now, if like my poles are sticking out like this, and like I got a fish bite on them, I like would have to reach up and try and set the hook, and so I lose a lot of angle. So I want them ideally like right here, so I can just set the hook while I'm trolling. Another thing that I messed up is that if you look at these, so these are 1-inch PVC. I need at least 2-inch probably, I don't know, to get my poles to sit in there. So I checked it out and they don't fit in there. So probably I'm gonna get an adapter right here that's like 1 inch to something else. I'll be good to go. This is for a GoPro. It'll be angled out, so it'll be far out here. This is for a net. This is for, I don't know, like a cup holder. And then you can put like a basket on top of here. That's what the guy on the other channel had. So, pretty good. But obviously a few modifications so far, and then I'll spray paint it all black. Took me about an hour and a half, minus all the mess ups. Cool. This is day 2. This is my first project with PVC piping, so you can see it's pretty messy. It's okay because it's all going to be spray painted black. But I made a bunch of mistakes, and if this is your first time using PVC pipe for a project or something, you might learn something from my mistakes. These aren't supposed to be here, these two. This was supposed to be a normal pipe, but I messed up, and so I had to use these as spacers. When you make a mistake with glue, You're lucky if you don't have to restart the whole project because they're so glued in there that you're just ruined. These guys right here, these are to hold the rods, slide down a little further and be a little bit more secure. And so this one is perfect because see how it's angled with the rod like this? So when I'm trolling, I'm gonna be sitting here and I'm trolling and my rod angle is out so that my pole is out so that if I get a fish, it's not like pulling on the backside. The measurements were a little hard for me because like when you slide it into the fittings, they're gonna like move a little bit, so all my measurements were just a little bit off. I'm gonna take this basket and I'm going to zip tie it around the PVC pipes, and then I can fit my personal cooler perfectly right in there. Overall, it's a really fun project. Spray paint it black, and check out the next video, which will be uploaded shortly of me trying it out with some GoPros and hopefully catching a king salmon. This is my first video, so make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. If you notice anything in the video or if you have anything, just give me a shout out in the comments, and make sure you watch the next one where I'll actually be catching salmon. Just like this. Whoa! Big king salmon. Oh, get the net. Don't knock over the kayak. I caught a tam. Babe, I caught it. He's okay.